Hi, my name is Victoria Freeman, and I am from Elisa Academy West. Today I will be going over adding and subtracting rational expressions. In order to add or subtract rational expressions, you must first find the least common multiple of the denominator. And in order to do that, you will factor the denominator. So to make this a little bit easier, I'm first going to do a numbers example, just so you can understand the gist of what I mean. So our example will be 5/6 plus 4/9. So you are going to find the factors of 6 and 9. So the factors of 6 are going to be 3 times 2. And then the factors of 9 will be 3 and 3. So you're going to take the 3 from this number, the 2 from this number, and the 3 from this number, and multiply those all together, which will get you 18. So the LCM is going to be 3 times 2 times 3, or 18. So that is the LCM. Next, I will do a monomial example. So we're going to get the factors of, we're going to find the LCM of 6xy, 15x squared, and 9xy to the 4th power. So you are going to factor each of these numbers, so 6xy, 15x squared, and 9xy to the 4th power. So 6xy factor is 3 times 2, because you need to do 3 and 2 to get 6, and then x to get the x, and y to get the y. And then 15x squared will be 3 and 5 to get 15, and x squared to get x squared, and 9xy to the 4th power will be 3 and 3 to get 9, so 3 times 3 times x times y to the 4th power. So then you are going to take the 3, the 2, the 3, the 5, and the x squared and y to the 4th power, and multiply those all together, which is going to be 3 times 2 times 3 times 5 times x squared times y to the 4th power. So this and this get 6, and this get 15, and this times this is 90. So 90, and then bring down the x squared and the y to the 4th power. So x squared times y to the 4th power. So the LCM will be 90x squared and y to the 4th power. Next, we're going to go over polynomials. Polynomial example will be 3 over x squared minus 3x plus 2, and then plus 5 over x squared minus 2. First, you're going to find the factors of said denominators. So x squared minus 3x plus 2. The factors will be x minus 1 and x minus 2. So, and then the factors of 2x squared minus 2 will be 2x squared minus 2 will be 2 times x plus 1 and x parentheses x minus 1. So, in order to find the LCM, or least common multiple, you'll take this, and this. So it's going to be 2 x minus 1, x plus 1, and x minus 2. Using the least common denominator, or LCD example, we are going to do. So for the monomial example, we are going to simplify 3y over 2x to the third power plus 5z over 8xy squared. So the least common denominator between these two equations is going to be 8x to the third power times y squared. So in order to get both of these equations to have that same denominator, you must multiply 3y over 2x to the third power by 4y squared over 4y squared, which is going to get you 12y to the third power over 8x to the third power y squared. And then you are going to multiply 5z over 8xy by xy squared by x squared, which is going to get 5c x squared over 8x to the third and y squared. So then you are going to add these, which will get you 12y cubed plus 5x squared times z over 8x cubed times y squared. So that is that. Lastly, I'm going to go over complex fractions. So, for example, we are going to do 1 plus 1 over x over 1 minus x over y. So you are going to first have to get the same denominators for numerator and denominator. So in order to do that, you're going to multiply this. Okay, so 1 is going to go to 1 over 1. And you have to get this 1 to be x, so you're just going to multiply it all by x. So it will be x over x plus 1 over x will be that. And then 1 again will go to 1 over 1. So in order to do that, you're going to do y over y. So to get the denominator to be y, you're going to multiply it by y over y, which is going to get you y over y plus minus x over y, which will be that. So then you're going to take this and this, and you are going to make that into an equation, which is going to be x plus 1 over x all over y plus minus y over y minus x over y. So obviously that's going to be really complicated to do. So a simple way to do this is keep change flip, but you're going to keep the x plus 1 over x. You're going to change the sign, so instead of it being division, it will be multiplication. And flip, so you're going to get y over y minus x instead of y minus x over y. So y over y minus x. So, and then you'll just multiply them. So it will be minus y over x y minus x squared. So just this. Thank you for watching.